Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Duolingo music on Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Duolingo Music APK. And a bunch of search results will appear on your screen. Here, tap on the first link that appears in the search results. Next step, tap on Download Now button. Then tap on Visit Site button. Here you'll see the option to get it on Google Play or download it from the App Store. If you want to download it from another website, go back and select a different site. Now tap on Visit Site. Then tap on Get it on Google Play. Finally, tap Install the download and install Duolingo Music on your Android device. So that's basically how you can get Duolingo Music on Android. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.